The eyeball is both one of the most interesting and complex structures in the human body. When light hits objects, it reflects off of these objects into our eyes. The light passes through the front layer of our eye, called the cornea, and through the pupil. The iris can expand or contract to make the pupil larger or smaller, controlling how much light can enter the eye. Behind the pupil is the lens. The lens bends the light from the object to focus it on a single point on the retina, called the fovea. Images are then carried to the brain via the optic nerve. The image is signaled to the brain through two kinds of photoreceptor cells, called cones and rods. Cone cells are concentrated in the central area of the retina, called the macula. They are responsible for detecting colors and detailed images. Rod cells are located from the outside of the macula to the edge of the retina. Rod cells are responsible for peripheral vision and night vision. The lens can also change shape to better help it focus the light. For close objects, the lens is very round because it must bend the light at a greater angle to focus it on the retina. For far objects, the lens is very flat, so the light bends at a much smaller angle. If you are farsighted, your lens is too flat and tends to focus the image behind your retina. This is generally okay for distant objects because the lens must be flat to focus the image, but close images will be out of focus. If you are nearsighted, your lens is too round and tends to focus the image in front of your retina. This is okay for close objects, but distant objects will be out of focus. Fortunately, these problems are easily corrected by glasses and contact lenses, which bend the light before it reaches your lens to counteract any mistakes your lens may be making. Your vision can change over time, so it's a good idea to see your optometrist every year to make sure your eyes are healthy and your lens prescription is up to date.